If you like to see full unboxing video, hit the link in the top right hand corner. Today I will show you the easiest way to set up the Xiaomi Mi Home Security Camera 360. First, you will get this micro USB cable, including in the box but no power brick. What you have to do is connect it to your camera and connect to power brick or connect to your USB port like this. After you deliver the power to the camera, it will flash light yellow on the front of the camera. After a few seconds, you will hear the voice prompt from camera like this.
Scan QR code to pair the device. Waiting for connection.
After that, go to App Store or Google Play Store and download this application to set up your device. Start your application like this and hit the top right hand corner to this Add Device page, and you click the top right hand corner for scan QR code from the camera and scan QR code from the bottom of your device and press wait until you hear a voice prompt. And now it will show you your Wi-Fi network. You have to select your Wi-Fi network and connect it. After that, it will show the QR code
Waiting for connection.
on your device or the phone, and what you have to do is show the QR code to the camera until it can detect your QR code like this. After it has detected your QR code, you will hear this.
QR code scanned successfully. Connecting. Please wait.
After that, press Heard Scan successfully. And now it will tell you it has connected and added to your application. In this page, you can select any room you want. It doesn't matter anyway. And you can rename your camera as well. Just name anything you want. You can change it at any time. Now you are good to go. You know what to do, and I'll see you guys in the next video.